Welcome to the Codibly educational series. In this series, we explore how innovative technologies are transforming renewable energy and eMobility. Today, we're diving into the top 5 game-changing features of OCPP 2.1, a protocol that's shaping the future of EV charging with enhanced interoperability, advanced energy management, and improved user experience. Let's get started. Feature 1, V2G, is now integrated with OCPP 2.1, enabling bidirectional energy transfer. This feature lets EVs stabilize the grid or supply energy in emergencies, covering both home and public applications. With standardized protocols, it paves the way for wider adoption and positions EVs as crucial energy assets. Feature 2, OCPP 2.1 lets EV charging stations operate as distributed energy resources, enhancing their role in the energy ecosystem. Compliance with grid codes and communication through protocols like IEEE 2030.5 ensure smooth integration. This development strengthens the grid's reliability and utility control. Feature 3, payment options have become more versatile. Operators can now use local and prepaid payments with the ability to set limits on cost and energy usage. Even offline, the payment systems ensure a seamless experience for drivers, providing more control and flexibility for station management. Feature 4, structured tariff information in OCPP 2.1 enables clear pricing and accurate cost calculations in real time. This advancement aligns with roaming standards, offering EV drivers transparent pricing and helping operators manage energy costs efficiently. And last but not least, Feature 5, upgrading from OCPP 2.0.1 is now more straightforward. With minimal changes to message flows and built-in backward compatibility, the transition to OCPP 2.1 is smoother. This simplifies the upgrade process and reduces complexity for operators modernizing their infrastructure. Thanks for your attention. Here at Codibly, we're ready to deploy OCPP 2.1 using our Dockerized accelerators, ensuring quick and efficient integrations. Happy to help with our expertise to support and navigate you in this evolving technology and enhance your EV charging infrastructure. Get in touch. We're happy to help.